Oh, hi everyone. You may notice that YouTube used to have an About tab, and the About tab would tell you what the license for the particular video was. But unfortunately, I can't for the life of me see this tab, and I think the only way you can tell what the license is for a YouTube video is by using this method. So, go to the video you want to know about, copy the name of the video, put it in the search bar at the top, press enter, and you'll probably see the video listed as number 1 or number 2. What you need to do, you need to click on Filter at the top of the screen here, go down to Creative Commons. Now, every video will be Creative Commons license, okay? So, if your video appears here, then that means that the license is Creative Commons. Now, if there's a problem, so for example, if the name of the video is incredibly generic, you can add in the suffix all in title, all one word, and basically copy this method and then put the words that you want to search for just in the search here like normal, in brackets, and then that will find the exact video for you, okay? And then just do the same thing again, go Creative Commons. And you can see this is the only Creative Commons video which has this title here. Thank you very much for listening, and I really hope you found this useful. Please like and subscribe if you did, and goodbye.